Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and structuring the sheet so Excel can interpret it. Select the actual data range or press Ctrl+T to convert it into a table. This makes ranges dynamic and formulas stable. Once done, add simple helper columns for ratios, percent changes, or categories so Excel can aggregate them. Make sure numeric types are consistent and text categories match exactly. Otherwise, charts will misgroup values. This setup reduces errors and speeds up every visualization step you take. Now create the visualization. Choose bar, line, column, or scatter based on your question. Use line for trends, scatter for correlations. If you need multi-dimensional analysis, insert a pivot table and then add a pivot chart. This separates aggregation from layout. Once the chart exists, add slicers and filters to let you explore segments quickly. Also use calculated fields in the pivot to show ratios or growth. Make sure axes, series, and legends are labeled so the story is clear to anyone viewing. Finish by polishing. Format axes, adjust tick intervals, add data labels, and choose accessible color contrast so your message reads instantly. If two series have different scales, add a secondary axis and clearly label units to avoid confusion. Once polished, test interactivity. Change slicers, refresh pivot data, and confirm table ranges updated. If a chart appears blank or wrong, check the named range or table reference, refresh the pivot cache, and verify there are no hidden filters or mismatched data types. This usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.